Disney. So we are on our way to Saratoga Springs. This is my first time staying at this hotel. It is huge. It also has a golf course. So if anyone can stay here, even though I am actually using my DVC points, I know that a couple of my other friends, they actually like to stay here. So it's very, 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 very close to Disney Springs. I will actually show you how quickly it is to get there. I'm actually staying in Congress Park. It's a section of the hotel, or the resort, basically. The resort is very, very large, and my section is closest to Disney Springs, which is like, for me, it was like less than a 5-minute walk, and that was actually very, very nice and very convenient. If I was staying at one of the other sections farther away from Disney Springs, it probably would have obviously been much farther for me to walk, but I may have been able to take the water taxi. There is one. They suggested that if I wanted to go back to the front of the resort, just to walk to the Disney Springs landing and then get on that boat, and it would actually take me to the front of the resort. So yeah, I know it was that crazy as far as distance wise from the front of the resort, which is what we're pulling up to right now, to my actual room, which was quite a bit away. If you haven't guessed yet, this resort is very horse themed. It is for the horse racing in Saratoga Springs, and I put a little blurb at the very beginning of this video with the description from Disney to kind of tell you what the hotel's like. But again, it's very horse themed and it's super cute, so I can't wait to show you the rooms. Okay, so I made it in. I'm staying at the Saratoga Springs Resort. So this is the connecting door. I'm pretty sure there's probably like a 1-bedroom behind here. I am in a deluxe studio. So I have the setup with the sink, the microwave, and the refrigerator, which I can't get open. There we go. So that's good. I always like a good refrigerator. I'm gonna guess that there's plates and stuff up here, and I think that's the water closet because it's locked. Because this over here, one of these doors, let's find the lights. Here we go. Here's the lights, ta-da, and the sink. It's nice and big. This must be, here we go. Here is, it smells very clean. It's Cloroxy, so it's very clean, and it's nice and crisp and cold in here, which I like. Not necessarily just in the bathroom, but in the entire room. It is nice like this. So we're really close to the front door. This is the foyer. Hello. The shower and the toilet. Let's take a look. Oh, fancy. You know what? They really need to upgrade the Disneyland Hotel to this shower spigot, where they can give you a rain shower or a handheld shower. And then, of course, the bathtub is really small. I will not be taking a bathtub soak. Oh, these look different, but it is sea salt. These are different bottles, but they still probably smell just like the H2O product. All right, so that is the bathroom. There's towels. Being in a DVC room, they only service on every 3 days or so.
hit something and locked the door. So we'll have to figure that out in a minute. Okay. And then I guess this is the closet. Oh, the closet's very long. A vacuum and a Swiffer. And here's your ironing board and iron. Safe. Extra pillows and blankets. Because this is a studio, there is a Murphy bed. If you can tell, it's right there. And this is the big bed. And here's the thermostat. And you like to keep that at cold. It's at 68. I don't think it goes any lower than 68. But I am really close to the Disney Springs area. In fact, there is the balloon. I don't know. I think I can get out this as usual. I have a hard time figuring out the locks. Oh, no, I locked it. All right, let's see. Let's go like this. Oh, awesome. Oh, nice. So yes, so I'm facing Disney Springs, which I'm gonna wander over there and get some food. This is really cute. It's a really cute area. Lots of walking. There's the paddlefish. I wish I had made reservations over at the paddlefish. Maybe I can just do a walk up there. That'd be good. Oh, and that is the boat that they said that I should take to get to the front of the resort. It goes from Disney Springs to the front of Saratoga. I don't know how to lock it again. I don't know. I think that locks it. All right. Modesty curtains. So I'm modest. I think this is the Murphy bed. So give me 2 seconds because I'll have to move this wonderful thing. Does it open? I think it does. It must open on this side. Aha! Ooh, fancy. I wish I had something like this at home because it'd be nice to have a little desk thing. But I have fur babies, and one would probably eat up the corners because he's a puppy, and the other one would probably pee all over the corners because he gets jealous of the other one. Okay, well now that I got that stuck, I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, so we have drawers, drawers, which are my favorite. But I brought mostly dresses this time, so yeah, it's not going to be much of a. Oh, I like the fact that this one has drawers at the bottom, which I used to put my shoes in these. But again, this is a really short vacay, so I'm trying to see where the outlets are. Oh, there are the outlets, and those are gentle doors, I think. Here's my phones. Yeah, it's really cute. It's horse themed because Saratoga Springs is horse racing. Yeah, and here's the favorite. Hey Disney, and I'll ask that. Oh, hey Disney, start the magic. I have no idea what. Oh, start. Hello, friend. All right, well, whatever. I'll figure it out. I figured it out at the Polynesian, but I'm actually very hungry, so I need to get unpacked and leave here so I can get to Disney Springs. But also, let's take a look at the Murphy bed and see what's behind the oh, at least the table's gentle, so I can't smash my fingers. Let's see what's wrong with that way. Oh. Nice. Now, this looks like the beds from the Disneyland villas. It's so nice and soft. This one's actually not done very nicely, tucked in better than the one at the Disneyland Resort. But let's see. Oh, hidden Mickey. All right. Okay, so let's see. What's on this side? Saratoga. So here's the room. Because you probably couldn't see a lot of me unveiling the bed, but it's tucked in really nicely. I'm not going to mess it up. The Disney Villa ones were kind of messed up as far as like the beds being made. But look, it's a cute Saratoga stables. It's a baby horse. Anyway, I don't know if you could see it, but there is a hidden Mickey right. I don't know where my finger should go. Well, if you can see it, it's right there. Anyway, all right. So this is a really nice room. Very, very clean. Very spick and span, that's for sure. I really do like the hardwood floors that they put in. It's much nicer. If anybody's looking, they have now put these big beds, you know, the big gaps up here. So you kind of have to crawl into the bed or jump into the bed, basically. That's so you can put your, you know, luggage under there. If you have a lot of people with luggage, obviously nothing can go down here. This is the sofa. So I don't need this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut off all the lights. I wanted to see what was inside. Shut the lights off, and I'm gonna put the bed back and get my couch back. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, this is a heavy one. Ah. All right. Ta-da! Now it's back to being a couch. Hold on, I just want to say something really fast. Yep. The couch isn't as hard as the one I feel like at the Polynesian, but it's a pretty firm couch. Anyway, all right. I'm off to unpack all my stuff, and then I'm gonna head out and get me some food. Let's see what else. Is there anything else? Let's see the room from a different angle. That's this angle. Okay. All right. Off to try to figure out how to get to Disney Springs. It's that way somewhere. So I gotta go beyond that building, and hopefully we'll find it. But first I gotta find the staircase. I mean, technically I could take the elevator, but here's a staircase. Yeah, this resort reminds me a little bit of, I mean, the fact that there's so many buildings out here. Here's my building. This is Congress Park, if anyone's asking. But this room gives me Caribbean beach vibes. I hope I don't get lost. I'm in the deluxe studio. Pretty sure I have to go over there to that walkway. Okay, so those are the boats that he said to catch when I come back from Disney Springs, and it'll take me to the front of the park. I just wanted to take a quick video. How pretty! Yeah, it is super close.